Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Kuzhu Paniyaram. So, to make Kuzhu Paniyaram, first we have to prepare the batter. I have uploaded the link how to prepare batter, and I will put in the description box. Please check it. So, transfer fermented Kuzhu Paniyaram batter in a small vessel like this, how much ever you needed. Pour little water and mix it nicely. The consistency should be like this. You can't pour the fermented thick batter in Kuzhu Paniyaram vessel. So like this you prepare. Now I'll show you how to pour Kuzhu Paniyaram. So this is non-stick Kuzhu Paniyaram pan. You on the stove, pour very less amount of oil, because for non-stick we no need to pour too much of oil. So now you can pour the batter in each holes. Close it with a lid for some time. See, now you just remove the lid, flip the paniyarams both the side. Both the sides has to be cooked evenly. Again, no need to close with the lid. Turn the flame to sim. Let it get cooked. See, in this paniyaram you can add vegetables, onion, like that. Now I am just making plain paniyaram. In another video I will show you how to make a vegetable paniyaram out of it. Like this, using this Kuzhu Paniyaram stick, you can flip. See, Kuzhu Paniyaram is cooked now. It's ready.